How's it, everybody? SBF Taxidermy. This video is rated PG. Here's another project. Restoration work. Red stag from New Zealand. Ears are separating from, I guess, the Bondo method. Nose pad deteriorating. This was mounted in shot in New Zealand and mounted in New Zealand. South Koi Hunter. How huge is that compared to the window? Window is about 3 feet. This one get the antler cups, the detachable antlers. Apparently the hunter took it off, dropped it off for easy transportation. Yeah, this is a massive animal. Red stag, New Zealand. Bugger is massive. His eye compared to my finger. Three hand span about. Well, let's work on this guy. Bring him back to life and back on the wall where he belongs. Alright, stay tuned for the next video. Restoration work by SBF Taxidermy. Go ahead and have it mounted. Mahalo.